Practice phoneme segmentation. So I'm going to say a word and I want you to say each sound in the word. You can put a sound on each of your fingers to help you too as you stretch that word out. So the word is shy. I, shy. There were two sounds. Let's try this word, fly. I, fly. Tight. Tight. Pie. Pie. Cry. I, cry. I'm going to say a word now, and we're going to do substitution. So we'll change a sound, and we'll make a new word. I'm going to do this first one as an example. The word is light. Light. We'll change I to A. Ate. Late. The new word is late. Try this one on your own. The word is bite. Change I to A. Bite. I to A would be ate. Bait. Your next word is pay. Change A to I. A, P, I. So it becomes pie. Here is your next one. The word is free. We'll change E to I. E, change E to I. I. Did you get fry? Here's our last one. The word is float. We'll change O to I. Oat. Change O to I. Flight. Now we're going to take a look at sounding out some words. Keep in mind these words will have that long I that we've been working on. What does the long I sound like? I. And there's lots of different ways we can spell it. You can spell it with just an I. You can spell with Y, I-G-H, I-E. Okay, let's take a look at these words and we're going to sound them out. Find, I, sky, right, I, tie. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have you look at each word and I'm going to give you 5 seconds to say the word. So what's this word? Find, sky, right, tie. The last thing we're going to review today is remembering that when we have a word that ends with Y, we'll need to change the Y to an I before we had ES or ED. So again, that's only for ES or ED, not for when it's ING. So if it's for ES or ED, we change Y to I. And let's take a look at these two examples. You'll see that these two are the first two in your practice sheet today as well. So we have cry. Well, to make cry into cried, because we want the past tense, it would be CR, change the Y to an I, and then add ED. Now we want to make cry into cries, so that would be CR, change Y to I, and then add the ES. Okay, let's try fry. What should I first do for fry? Well, FR, change Y to I, and then we'll add ED. And then finally, we're going to make fry into fries, which is the present tense. And so it would be, spell it out for me, F-R, that Y becomes an I, and then E-S. So keep on practicing writing past and present tense words with Y at the end. We just changed the Y to an I.